Okay, so right now I'm using our sewer video inspection system, and here's the clean out. And this sewer has quite a bit of issues that we're going to go through and look at real quick, and I'll show you. So this is inside the sewer. Now let's go down in and take a look. So you see those little pieces that are hanging? That's a little bit of tree roots. I wouldn't be too worried about this when you see this in your sewer, but what we're going to see here in a little bit, you should worry about. Now the pipe wall you're looking at is old cast iron. This part actually looks pretty decent. So we're turning a little 45-degree bend, then we drop into another section of this sewer. We're still under the home. I'll let you know once we exit the house. Okay, this is where we're exiting the house. You see those little pieces hanging from the top? That is roots. Now, if you'll notice a color change in the pipe, we're going from cast iron, and then we're transitioning into, this is clay tile. So now we're on the outside of the home, inside of clay tile. Now look. This might be hard to see, but the reason it doesn't look kind of this red anymore is because that is completely broken out sections of clay tile that are just no longer there. So technically that's dirt. All of that is mud and dirt. Then you could kind of make out there's some, it's a little steamy down in these sewers, so it creates kind of fog. But all of that should be red. This is all dirt that's just made kind of a nice round bore through it because that red clay is broken out. There's an older section that may be a repaired section of pipe, and then we're back into clay tile. And you're about to see some real heavy root intrusion. So there's some roots there, but right ahead of here is going to be a lot of roots. Look at that. That whole bottom right sidewall is nothing but a huge ball of roots. Then it drops down into a broken piece, and we can no longer see what's going on. Now let's go outside and I'll show you where I marked everything. Okay, so what we're doing is locating where all the breaks are and trying to trace this line. So you see our marks we've made. That's where we've pinpointed where the sewer main is. That's also where some of the issues are, using my little R2D2 locator. And so we're going to keep tracing this till we figure out where it is at the city main.